Tired of your killer Instagram stories looking less than stellar? Let's fix that blurry mess and get your content looking crystal clear. We're diving into the simple steps that will transform your blurry woes into sharp, engaging stories that will captivate your audience. First up, your camera's focus before you hit record. Make sure your phone's camera is properly focused on your subject. You can usually do this by tapping on your screen where you want the camera to focus if it's still struggling. Try gently cleaning your phone's camera lens with a soft, lint-free cloth. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Next, let's talk about your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or cellular connection can cause real-time processing issues, leading to blurry uploads. Try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router, or if you're using cellular data, ensure you have a strong signal. You might even consider uploading your stories when you have a more stable connection, like at home. Now, let's troubleshoot within the Instagram app itself. Sometimes the app might compress your video a bit too aggressively before posting. Navigate back to your draft story if you see a little preview. Check for any obvious quality degradation while Instagram automatically optimizes for mobile. Ensuring your starting footage is as high quality as possible is key. Consider the resolution you're starting with if you're importing videos from other apps or editing software. Ensure they are exported at a high resolution. Instagram generally handles 108p quite well. Higher resolutions usually translate to sharper images and videos, making your stories pop. Finally, good lighting is your best friend. While not directly an app setting, proper lighting can dramatically improve the perceived quality of your stories. Avoid harsh shadows and try to film in well-lit areas, ideally with natural light. Experiment with these tips, and you'll be creating crisp, eye-catching Instagram stories in no time, boosting engagement and telling your story like a pro.